What's up, guys? Found some open water today. Got this itch, and we're about to scratch it today. But no, check this out. I found some open water, guys. Yeah, so like where I'm going over here, there's like a tunnel or a sewer that runs underneath the road. And it's not open right now, so I'm gonna see what we can catch. See you guys when we get over there. Came down this lake one time. It was like early in the morning. All of a sudden there's a big ass like orange ball that comes up. I'm like, what is that? I've never seen that before. And it was like goldfish, like thousands of them. It was crazy. I've never seen nothing like that before. I have a little 10-foot Coleman crawdad that was my father's when I was a kid. That's the boat I grew up in. And I brought that out here with my daughter. And I've seen a bunch of fish out here. I just couldn't give them the bite, same as today. It's like the water's like really dark right now, so I can't see in the water to see if there's anything out there. Got this bubble right here. Look at this freaking bubble right here. This thing's like coming towards me, swimming towards me. What the hell? What the hell is on it? Thing's like swimming towards me. It made like a U-turn. See, look at that. What is it doing? What the hell is that thing? Nothing on it. Huh. All right, let's go to a different spot. Let's move to the other side, guys. Yeah, see, there's like out here there's like a point that people come fish on, but it's all iced over here still. So it's like shallow right there. It's like maybe inches deep. It drops off in here. I think that's over there, right where the ice is sunken into the water. I think that's what that is. Something just jumped right there. Something just jumped right there. All right, guys, we're gonna go over this different pond. It's the pond that feeds this pond. See if we can find something else. I'll catch you guys when I'm in the truck. guy walking by right there. Talking to the camera's getting awkward. Let's go. Oh, gotta get the keys. Where are they at? Where are the keys? See if we can get this over here. There we go. I'm gonna bring a bobber this time because I feel like using that tungsten jig that we can, if we float it off the bottom a little bit. There's like a sidewalk up here. Let's go up here. There's a bunch of open water over here. And this is like where the sun hits first because the sun is setting over there. So I'm guessing the water warms up really fast over here. So let's try this out. Soggy wet though, look at soggy wet. So I'm wearing my winter boots still. Danger, thin ice. So yeah, now I'm over here on this side. I think the sun hits this first. Look at, there's even some drain pipes right there. So we'll check that out in a minute here. Let's go check out this. Let's go check out these sewers over here. Let's see what's in there. See what's happening. Let's go over here and see what's happening with these sewers. There has to be some fish in here. I seen something swirl. So let's see if we can find something else. I want to see what's by these sewers. Pretty dirty water coming out of there. I'm gonna put this bobber on. Let's see if we can work it that way. See if we can catch something this way. Keeping it off the bottom a little bit. It's like gross coming out here. You can like see like the water or the that's kind of gross, but it is what it is. Public lake. Oh, what the hell happened there? Did I get tangled up? Why is it it's like shallow right here. I don't even think it's deep right here because I cast it over here. I cast it over there and it sank. That's actually steam. That's steam coming off here. This is steam coming off here. This water's really warm right here, I bet. Bitch's water's really warm. Bitch's water's really warm. No, not really. I mean, it's warm. It's not as cold as probably over there, but it's pretty warm right here. It's warmer than what it is over here, so, or over there. Ooh, what's that? Something just came over, directly over. It swam right to it. What was that? You know, like during the summertime, you see like the little bugs that walk across the top of the water. Well, they're not out right now because it's too cold, but it swam across the top of water like that. That was crazy. I think that was a little fish or something. Had to have been. The geese are over there fighting. How deep is it right here? I don't know. It's like 4 feet deep, 3 feet deep. It's like this deep. It's like that deep. I don't think this pond is this big. We've had a horrible winter this year, so we had a lot of snow. I don't think I'm gonna get anything today, buddy. I don't think I'm gonna get anything today, guys. I gotta go home, eat dinner. All right, I think I'll call that a wrap. I had that itch. I had to itch it. I found open water today, even if it was a little bit. That was fun. Until next time. See ya. Peace.